Sure. Here are some additional details about Jenkins. Jenkins is written in Java and runs on a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Jenkins is designed to be highly configurable and customizable, with a web-based interface that allows users to create and manage their build and deployment jobs. Jenkins supports a wide range of version control systems, including Git, Subversion, and Mercurial, and it can be integrated with other tools such as Jira, Slack, and Docker. Jenkins supports both traditional and pipeline-based jobs. Traditional jobs are created using a graphical user interface, while pipeline jobs are defined using a domain-specific language called Jenkins file. Jenkins has a built-in security system that allows users to control access to their jobs and resources. It also supports authentication and authorization using various external authentication providers such as LDAP, Active Directory, or GitHub. Jenkins is highly scalable and can be configured to run on a single machine or distributed across multiple machines or nodes to handle large-scale build and testing automation. Jenkins has a large and active community of users and contributors who provide support, documentation, and plugins to extend its functionality. Overall, Jenkins is a powerful automation server that can help developers to streamline their software development process and improve the quality of their applications.